Hi friends!
Hi friends!
I'm Diana.
And I'm Lila.
And today we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna make a card, and then on the card we're gonna draw Hello Kitty with a really cute dress, and we're gonna write hello on it. And this is a card that you can send to your friends, whoever you want, maybe for a birthday. And the inspiration for this was from Lila's little pad of Hello Kitty note papers that she has. She likes to color them in, and sometimes she likes to write notes. So we'll use this as inspiration. Ready?
Yeah.
First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a piece of paper and we're gonna fold it. So let's start from the bottom and then work our way by folding it up and have the corners, the bottom corners match the two top corners like that, like that.
Okay, exactly on the line.
Yep, and then put one finger right there in the middle to hold it in place. I like to use my left hand. And then just slide the right finger down and then slide it to the right and then slide it to the left. And just make sure it's nice and straight. And there you go. There's our card. Okay, let's get started. So we're gonna start on the head, and we'll start with, her head has a really wide U shape. Okay, wide means it's like really long from side to side. So I'm gonna make a line. It's gonna start on the left, and as it comes down, it makes that kind of like more of a straight line, and then it goes up, but it doesn't go up all the way up. And this part, I'm gonna make it a little bit higher. There. Okay, and so same with you. You wanna start like somewhere right there. Go ahead. Hold your hand down. Yep. Yep. And then make this one a little bit higher. Yeah, you want to leave that where it is, but this one you want it where your finger is, yeah. Okay. Now we're going to make a bow. That's okay. We're going to make a bow. So for that, we're going to make a circle right here. Okay. And then we're gonna make a bow on the right and on the left side. And the bow on the right is gonna kind of come and cross this part of the head, like that. And if it doesn't go completely touching it, then you can curve this up. Okay, we're gonna make the bow part on the left side too. And then she has these two little semicircles inside, like that, touching the center circle. Okay, great. And now we're gonna work on the ears. So we're just gonna make a line that goes up like that, towards the right, coming from the bow. And then coming down like this for the first ear. Okay, for the second ear, we're gonna make a little line like that. And then we're gonna curve this towards the left. And then we're gonna bring it down like a curve towards the right, or towards the left like this. Beautiful. Okay, Hello Kitty also has a few other things. She has eyes and a nose. So for the eyes, they're just gonna be two oval shapes. So somewhere in the middle here, on the bottom middle section right here, we're gonna draw one oval like this. And on the other side over here, they're pretty far, they're not super close together. We're gonna draw another oval shape like this. And usually Hello Kitty's eyes, and actually they're not super oval, they're kind of roundish oval. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually color it in. So if you have something black, like a black marker or crayon or something.
I'm gonna do that later.
I'm just gonna color it in black because usually her eyes are black.
Taking a long time.
Yeah, and I'm fixing the shape a little bit because it's kind of, you can see from here, it's kind of oval, but it's kind of round. You can keep fixing that if you want, okay? And then we're gonna do the little nose next. So nose is it gonna be a sideways little oval shape like this for the nose. Ta-da! Okay, and what does she also have? She's a cat, right? Hello Kitty's a cat, so she has some whiskers. So for the whiskers, we're just gonna make some 3 dashes. They're gonna come out towards the right, and 3 dashes. They're gonna come out towards the right and then towards the left, okay? Beautiful. Now we're gonna work on the little body. Remember, the body is a little bit smaller than the head. Her head's really big. For the little body, we're gonna make a line that curves down like this on the left, and the same shape on the right going down like that. And then we're gonna connect these lines. Connect this line like this. Very nice. And then the bottom of this dress is gonna come out like this. And we're gonna connect this line again, like a curvy line that connects it like that. Very good. And then I like to make it a little bit more interesting, so I'm gonna make these little curve shapes that go all along the bottom of the dress. Okay? And that just makes it look more fun. Okay? Great. And then what I'm gonna do, see where these points meet in the center? So I'm gonna draw a line that goes up like this from those points to the top to make it look like a ruffly skirt. Okay, and then let's add some hands, like she's waving hello. Okay, so what we'll do is we're gonna let's draw a line that goes from here till about here. And then we're gonna make a curvy shape that goes out like this. So just make like a wee curve out. That's gonna be a part of her hand. And then the other part goes like that in. So that way she looks like she's waving. Okay, really good. And for this one, this hand's gonna be going down. So we're gonna make a curvy line that goes out like that towards the left, and then make a line towards the dress like this. Very good. Okay, and then let's draw this hand. So this hand has a curve that goes out like this, and then it has a bigger curve like that. So see, they look like these two big hands. Great. So now it looks kind of like she's waving, but for it to really look like she's waving, let's draw a couple little dash marks like that. Okay, great. And how about we'll add a really cute bow on her dress?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. So let's make a circle right here in the center. And then let's draw a bow shape that goes like that towards the right side, and the same thing towards the left. And then let's make these little ribbons hanging down. So make a line going down like this, and another line like that. And then how you want to connect them is, instead of drawing a straight line across, you're gonna make one line go up and another line go up like that, and then they meet in the middle. And do the same thing on the other side. Let's make a line go down and another line go down, and then make a line go up and up towards the middle like that. Very good. And then let's draw a couple little dash lines coming out from the center. There we go. Very cute. And then how about we'll add these same little curves to the end of the sleeves of her sleeve. So let's just make these curvy shapes like that, and we'll make them on the other hand too. Very nice. Okay, and then the last part are her legs, right? So her legs, the way they're shaped is they're like these really wide U shapes. So first we're gonna figure out where the center is. The center is somewhere right here, okay?
Center.
Yeah, so the center for you is just gonna be where the middle part is. So it's gonna be somewhere down here. So what we'll do is we will draw a line. We're gonna first make the right leg. So we're gonna draw a little short line, and then we're gonna go around and bring it up like that. Yep. And then we're gonna do the same thing from here going out towards the left. So we're gonna do another line like that, because she has very small little feet. And that's it for the Hello Kitty part. And then let's write hello. I'm gonna write hello on the bottom. You can write it on the top if you want. You can write something else if you want. So for hello, let's start with the letter H. So I'm gonna draw an one line like going down like that, and another line that's parallel to it. And then I like to make a line instead of down the center just for fun. I like to make it a little bit lower. That's the first letter, H. And then let's draw, what's after H?
E.
E, very good. So let's draw a line next to the H. And then 3 lines that are moving towards the right side, like that.
Then L.
And then, so we have H-E, so that's he. And then you have what?
L.
L-L-O, so 2 L's. So let's make one line, like that.
O. Then
L. And then the last one is an O. Hello. You can also make an exclamation point if you want.
that's what I was gonna do.
I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna make a heart actually. I'm gonna make a heart shape for my exclamation point. Hello. Ta-da! and that's it. That's your Hello Kitty card. And what's great about it too is because it's a card, you can also open it up and you can draw another picture inside the card. You can write a message inside.
Message on the side.
Maybe make
picture
a
on the
big
side.
heart and write your name so that they know who it's from. Make it special. Give it to your friend, to your mom, your dad, brother, sister, anybody. I think anybody would love this card, or just keep it for yourself. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna color ours in. Go ahead and color yours in too, and then come back and see how we finished. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, here we are with our finished colored Hello Kitty cards, and you know they're so fun to color in because you could do so many different colors on the dress, on the bows. I love, Lila, how you did yours. Did you enjoy this?
Yeah.
Yeah, and did you want to do something? What did you want to write on the inside or draw? What were you thinking?
I was thinking about drawing a cake, maybe.
Ooh, a cake. Oh yeah, we also have a birthday cake card video, right? That you guys can check out if you haven't tried that already. And this was just so much fun to draw. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up by liking the video and subscribe to our channel and share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.